Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best GoPro Hero 7 lens is probably one of the most sought-after accessories for action cameras, offering unparalleled image quality and versatility for capturing breathtaking footage. Its wide-angle capabilities allow you to capture stunning panoramic views, while its advanced image stabilization ensures smooth, shake-free videos even during the most intense activities. Whether you're a professional filmmaker or a weekend warrior, this lens will elevate your action camera experience to new heights, transforming ordinary moments into extraordinary memories. Number 5. SOONSUN GoPro Filters Kit. This filter kit is designed for your GoPro Hero 5, 6, and 7 black cameras. It's the perfect accessory for capturing stunning footage. You get a CPL filter, ND8, ND16, and ND32 filters, all in a protective case. Everything you need for various shooting conditions. It's made of high-quality multi-coated optical glass, ensuring crystal-clear footage every time. Enjoy sharp, vibrant images. The CPL filter removes unwanted reflections from surfaces like water and glass, enhancing colors and contrast in your videos. Say goodbye to washed-out footage. The ND filters reduce the amount of light entering the camera, allowing you to shoot in bright conditions with a balanced exposure. Capture rich colors and details. It's precisely sized to fit your GoPro Hero 5, 6, or 7 black perfectly. Enjoy a seamless shooting experience. What we like. This filter kit includes CPL, ND8, ND16, and ND32 filters, perfect for various lighting conditions. It's made of high-grade optical glass ensuring crystal-clear footage. If you need versatile filters for your GoPro 5, 6, or 7, this is the one for you. What people say. The filters are all of a good quality and the included lens cloth is useful for keeping dust off them. They come with a hard case with cutouts for each filter to sit in. They fit very securely on my GoPro Hero 7 Black. Nice product, allows lower shutter speeds for motion blur in bright conditions. The press fit is nice. I love the packaging and how they mount so sturdy on my GoPro Hero 7 Black. Tried them inside my house looking through them against LED lights, we know they're very bright, and seemed like they're perfect for the job. Number 4. GoPro Hero 567 Lens Cover. Don't let a cracked lens ruin your shots. This replacement cover is the perfect solution for GoPro Hero 5, 6, and 7 cameras. It's so easy to install, no tools are needed. Simply attach it and you're ready to shoot again. This high-transparency glass lens cover won't affect your image quality. Get the same stunning footage as before. It also provides UV protection for your camera lens, keeping it safe from harmful rays. Everything you need is included in this kit. You'll receive one replacement lens cover, securely packaged for protection. This is a brand new, high-quality replacement lens cover. It's the ideal replacement for your damaged lens. What we like. It's a simple replacement lens cover for your GoPro 5, 6, or 7. Installation is easy and requires no tools. It offers UV protection without affecting image quality. If you need a quick and easy fix for a damaged lens, this is your solution. What people say. So simple to install, comes with instructions. Fit perfectly and I'm using like nothing has changed. The quality of the video is great and better now than my old scratched cover. Super sturdy replacement piece. Looks just like the original. This fit great and snapped into place solidly. Number 3. GoPro Hero Lens Cover. This is the perfect replacement for your damaged GoPro lens. It's easy to install and will keep your camera protected. It works with your GoPro Hero 5 Black, 6 Black, 7 Black, and 2018 models. Make sure it's the right fit for your action camera. This lens cover will safeguard your camera lens from scratches and damage. It's a simple way to keep your GoPro in top condition. It maintains your camera's 10-meter waterproof capability. Enjoy underwater adventures without worrying about your lens. No tools are needed for installation or removal. It's quick and simple to replace your lens cover. You'll receive one replacement lens cover in your package. Get yours today and keep your GoPro protected. What we like. This replacement lens cover is compatible with GoPro 5, 6, and 7 cameras. It's easy to install and maintain the camera's waterproof capabilities. If you're looking for a simple, waterproof replacement lens, this is a great choice. What people say. Perfect fit and came with a nice case. Perfect for my GoPro Hero 5. Easy to install. This fit perfectly and protects the lens area when it's out of the sumo housing. I noticed no optical issues nor leakage in rain, dust, and some splashing. Recommended. Number 2. SOONSUN GoPro Filters Kit. This kit is designed to enhance your GoPro footage. It includes a variety of filters to suit different shooting conditions. It's perfectly compatible with GoPro Hero 5, 6, and 7 black cameras. Please note it's not compatible with other models or housings. You'll receive ND8, ND16, ND32, CPL, light red, and magenta filters, all neatly stored in a protective case. These filters reduce light entering your camera, balancing contrast and capturing vibrant colors even in bright sunlight. The CPL filter minimizes glare and reflections from surfaces like water and glass, enhancing colors and contrast in your shots. The light red filter corrects colors in shallow water, while the magenta filter is ideal for deeper dives, ensuring accurate color representation. What we like. This filter set offers 6 filters, including ND, CPL, and dive filters for various underwater and surface shooting scenarios. It's compatible with GoPro 5, 6, and 7 cameras. If you frequently shoot underwater or need color correction filters, this is the ideal option. What people say. The CPL filter makes sunrise-sunset video look beautiful. You can see deep into clear water. The ND8 1632 are excellent for bright midday sun on the water. I just leave the GoPro at default settings and the filter does the rest. The CPL filter adds sharpness with reduced glare, and the color filters are for underwater or perhaps artistic uses, though I will use these least. Number 1. GoPro Hero 765 lens. This lens is a lifesaver for your GoPro Hero 7, 6, or 5 black. It's designed to protect your camera from scratches, dust, and water damage. It keeps your precious camera lens safe from the elements. Don't risk ruining your footage, keep it protected with this replacement lens. Weighing only 7 grams, it won't add bulk to your camera. Plus, it maintains a 33 feet 10 waterproof rating, so you can shoot underwater with confidence. No tools are needed. It's easy to rotate and install, making it quick to swap out if needed. This spare lens is a must-have for daily recording and especially outdoor adventures. Keep it handy to ensure your camera is always ready to capture the moment. This lens is perfectly compatible with your GoPro Hero 7, 6, and 5 black cameras. It's a perfect replacement or backup. What we like. This lightweight lens replacement is compatible with GoPro 5, 6, and 7 cameras. It protects your lens from damage and maintains the camera's waterproof rating. If you need a durable and lightweight protective lens, this is the one for you. What people say. Fits perfectly in my Hero 7 black. Glass is clear and good scratch resistance. Great replacement since I broke the lens case on my GoPro. You just twist the lens case off and twist the new one on. It's just that simple. It's securely fit and isn't going to fall off, it's a perfect replacement. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.